Hey happy people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Happyboy. I'm Royce and Nino is behind the camera again. We usually create content around music, art, photography, what else? We just try to be creative basically. So guys, in our last video, we painted the room. We did all the demo and painted the room. If you haven't seen that video, it will be linked up here, I guess. Yeah, here. We decided before starting this whole project that we're going to carry out the building process ourselves. At least we're going to do majority of it ourselves. So the woodwork we're going to do after consuming a lot of content on YouTube on how to do some of these things. So we headed to Day Market in Abuja here, Builders Market as it's called, to get some wood, some materials. We bought some tools also. And trust me when I say it wasn't fun at all. But we got everything, you know, after bargaining, pricing, doing the needful. They'll tell you something is 9,000, you tell me, Jale 6,500, last price. If you are not taking, we'll go to another shop. We did all of that, and trust me, it was very stressful. So we are just going to take you along on this venture of ours. And need I remind you, this is our first ever woodwork project. DIY is what we called it, you know, do it yourself, and this is our first time, so go easy on us. If we need to explain anything for you guys along the way, we would explain. I mean, it's not like we know it that we even explain for you in the first place, but then we'll try our best. So let's go.
Happyboy.
So the reason we have a setback or we have a space behind our box is because the reason we have a space behind the box is because we want to hide some wires there and every nasty, ugly thing that is going to be there. We want to be able to hide them behind there. And we had that opportunity because our drawers are not as long as the box we made, so we could just push back the backboard, basically. Hey, shey we have not entered one chance like this. After all that cutting, we just have one drawer box. And we have 7 to go. We have 7 left. It's supposed to be 8. And we test fit that one to see if everything will fit, so that we'll use that as a template to cut others. It fit though. We put the slides by the 2 sides and shimmied the box into the small box into the big box, and it fits. Don't worry, there's video for you to see as I'm explaining now. Nino will put video on top, you'll see very well. Now we removed it, coupled everything properly and put it back in just like magic. It did not fit again. We don't know what happened till this day. We don't know what happened. So if you're an expert and you can explain for us whatever happened to it, please let us know. Thank you. Sorry, quick intermission. Oh, intermission, yeah. If you've been enjoying this video, please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Thank you. Now let's continue with the video.
Alright, we're done. Ben is done cutting the table. He didn't cut himself, he didn't cut me. And right now we're going to just glue the tops together. Like we cut the top into two, so we'll glue the front side and the back side together.
We'll sandwich them together.
We'll sandwich them together. Alright, we're done. We've applied the glue. We screwed them together because we don't actually have clamps that would actually hold them together. So that should work. So right now we are going to wait for everything to dry up. Then we'll come back, sand it, seal it. What else? Finish it, I guess. Yeah, so that's what's next.
As you can see, we did not fail. And for that reason, we are going to do another table in the next video. So subscribe and drop a like if you haven't, so that you'll be notified, so that you watch it when we do that. Thank you. See you in the next video. Peace. Stay happy.